I didn't wash my hair every day. Every other day. I don't need to wash my hair every day because I'm just staying in the house. I don't wanna. My hair don't need to use shampoo every day. That's why I didn't use. That's why I didn't shower every day. Every other day. Right? You need to shower every day, right? Right here. My hair is not showering every day. I just wash my body, that's it. But my hair now, I don't wash my hair every day.